Well, everyone, we're the Browns, and we're full-time RVers. Probably like a lot of you, the bucket list item is to go to Alaska. And really, we do all of our planning, scheduling, tour setups. But when we went to Alaska, we thought, safety in numbers, and let's turn the trip over to travel professionals. We did some research. We felt Fantasy was the most reliable tour group in the industry. So, what we thought would happen actually did happen. My concern initially was just I didn't want to be behind 20 RVs traveling down the road. And actually, it's a really great blend they have for us. You get a log every day. You get to do kind of the day as you want, but they have options for you. See this, see that. And even the level of detail, a lot of you probably drive big rigs like we do. So they haven't even mapped that out. So you can go to this spot, get a honey bun, come over here and be near a creek. So we really were quite satisfied with the experience and just the detail and the quality of the excursions that Fantasy set up were wonderful. We really enjoyed them. What I'd never done before was caravanning. And going with a group of strangers that ended up with a set of family when we left was something I really would recommend. I had never done it before. It's magical. I want to do it again. And I really would, personally, I would suggest, find a Fantasy rep, talk to them about it because the journey is amazing and the family that you walk away with is lifelong. What's your thoughts, dear?
It's like the best trip ever. So we can't recommend it highly.
Yeah, I remember the morning I was looking for you. Where are you? She's running down the campground, filming a moose and her babies.
Yes, ran through the campground. Oh my gosh, it was so surprising to come out and see them. And then I went running down and I got it on video. Best thing ever. I tell you just won't believe how exciting it is, how fantastic it is. Everybody involved is, and it's just the best trip we've ever had.
Yeah, really, sincerely, first time Fantasy travelers, first time caravan travelers, but it won't be the last. And like I say, really suggest you hook up with a Fantasy, go to their website, and start traveling, start having a good time.